One.
It's one.
What if I tell you it's wrong?
Tell me why.
It's wrong. Nah, you're wrong, I reckon. I reckon you need to brush up on your maths.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Heidi。傳說亞洲人計數特別叻，英國盛產咁多名校，呢度嘅人冇可能唔識計數嘅。今日我準備咗6條亞洲小學程度嘅數學題嚟考下佢哋，最後一條仲係90% 嘅人都會答錯添，睇下佢哋或者你會唔會係個1%？What grade are you in?
I'm in my third year at university.
Year 12.
Now I learned the English because I'm newcomer for this country.
Are you guys good at maths?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we
Yeah?
are. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, he's amazing.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Shocking, really bad. Really? Yeah, really bad.
Absolutely not.
No.
I used to be much better at maths.
Perfect! Today I'm gonna do a math quiz level 1 to 6. This is primary school math question. Do you
Okay.
think you can finish them all?
Yeah.
Level 1 to warm up. What is 3 times 3 times 3?
Already. Wait, hang on.
27.
Wow, so quick!
So you are.
27.
27.
27.
3 times 3.
Yeah.
27.
I'm gonna go with that.
Okay. Yes, pretty quick.
How about you?
Question.
What is 3 times 3 times 3?
12. 9.
You sure?
Yeah. 27.
So you changed from 27 to 9. Can you explain?
3 times 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. You know?
Do you trust him?
No. I think it's 9.
Do you want to do it on the calculator?
Okay. 27. Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah,
first one.
27! You have calculated 3 plus 3 plus 3. You messed it up. You can go up to level 2. What is minus 1 plus minus 1?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. No? Minus 1 plus minus 1? 1? 0? I don't know.
Shit, I can't use that brain. So -1 and then you plus -1. So this way, which makes it 0. Oh wait. No. It should be -1.
Like if you would use the math thing, -1, -1, -2.
Whatever. -2.
Oh.
It's 2. No, minus 2.
Because it's backwards.
Yeah. No, it is minus 2.
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
Not with you saying that.
Yeah.
Final answer.
Okay. -2. Right.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yeah! You should be confident! Level 3 now. What is 1 plus 9 divided by 2?
Put it. Put it. Put it.
Put it.
Yeah. 95 plus 1, 96. 96 divided by 2 is put it. 48.
46.
45.5.
Wait,
plus
no.
90.
What? 1 plus 9 divided
Is it
by
brackets?
Oh, 5.
1 plus 9 divided by 2?
Yeah.
5.
5.
2. I give you one more chance.
It's 5.
5.
Very quick. You guys are very quick. Yes. What if I tell you it's wrong?
No, it's 5.
Do you want to do it on the calculator?
I don't need to do that on a calculator. Hold on.
My brain's really, really hurting right now. Because is it like, you know, like when you write it out, it's like, is there a bracket?
No bracket.
1 divided by 2. Oh.
But don't you divide it first?
Oh yeah. Oh.
It's
1 plus 9
5.5.
is 10.
Bodmas. Bidmas.
Checking us. I could hear my maths teacher in primary school shouting at me now.
Think about it. Like.
Oh, wait. 1 plus 9, 5.5. Because you do division first.
Yeah. Wow. Genius.
Genius.
Wow. 1 plus 9 divided by 2.
5.5. Oh
Yeah.
no.
Oh no. You're still in level 1. 將弱點暴露喺人前，最易俾人攻擊，就好似用公共 WiFi 上網咁，唔夠安全意識嘅話，隨時啲密碼同個人資料都俾黑客睇晒。唔使驚，我哋有 Surfshark VPN。Surfshark VPN 可以加密你嘅網絡連線同個人資料，等你隨時可以轉換 IP 去任何國家，解所有區域限制嘅內容。例如切換去日本地區就可以睇到柯南，切換去英國地區仲可以睇埋 Tesco 24小時運作添，仲可以用當地嘅優惠價錢去訂購機票同酒店。最勁嘅係一個帳號可以喺唔同裝置無限使用。內建嘅 Clean Web 仲可以幫你阻擋各種 cookie 彈出式廣告，唔止提升網站速度，仲避免咗唔小心 click 入廣告而中毒嘅危險添。每個月只需要一杯咖啡嘅價錢就可以安心上網。使用我哋嘅優惠碼 Whatever 就可以享受獨家優惠，仲送多你4個月嘅使用期限同30日嘅退款保證。有需要嘅朋友就喺下邊嘅資訊欄進入連結訂購。
哇！真係實在太好啦，真係實在太好啦！哇！真實在太好啦！真係實在太好啦！
Okay, level 4. If you are driving 70 miles per hour and you have drive for 60 minutes, how far did you travel?
I'm gonna get a calculator out.
If I drove 70 miles per hour and I drove 60 miles,
Yeah.
how long did it take me to get there?
70 miles per hour, 60. You drove 60 miles. It took you 60 minutes. 60 minutes.
So you got there in 60 minutes, so you got there in an hour.
70 miles an hour.
But how far did you drive? 70 miles?
Oh, 70 miles.
70 miles.
70 miles.
You sure?
Yes.
You trust your friend?
Yeah, 70 miles. 70 miles because you went 60 miles per hour. Sorry, you went 70 miles per hour. It took you 60 minutes to get there. So you went 70, there's 60 minutes in an hour, so it's 70 miles, right?
Yes, it's correct. Correct. Level 5. How old are you?
22.
22.
22.
I'm 23.
24.
Oh, I'm 21.
I'm 16.
16.
17.
So, if you were born 6 years ago, how old would you be today?
6.
6.
6.
Why?
Because if I was born 6 years ago, then I would be 6.
6.
What have I done wrong?
17 minus 6.
I thought you meant if you were born 6 years ago, how old would you be?
6 years ago.
Oh,
16.
17.
2018. If I was born in 2018, how old would I be today?
How I will be today? I will be 6.
Yeah, 6.
Oh, 6.
I love that question. That was brilliant.
Yeah, you should be confident.
Yeah, I was like, I swear. I like you. You make me feel nervous.
Okay, the big boss. Big boss now. I'm gonna show you the question.
1.
1.
So 1 plus 2 is 3.
1. It's 1.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Can you explain to me why is it 1?
You have to do bid maths, brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So you do whatever's in the brackets first.
2 plus 1 is 3, and then times 2 is 6, and then 6 divided by 6 is 1. I learned from my previous question.
But there's no times in there though.
That is.
Because of the brackets? Okay, so 6 divided by 6. 1?
You sure?
Yeah, 1.
How about you? Do you trust her?
Yeah, we're okay. Yeah, we're okay. So, 1. Just 1.
Brackets.
So 1 plus 2 is 3.
No, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3.
No. It's brackets.
9. I'm going for 9 final answer.
My final answer is 1.
What if I tell you it's wrong?
Tell me why!
It's wrong.
Yeah. What if I tell you it's 9?
It's not 9. Because it would be 6 over 2 times 1 plus 2. So you do 2 times 1 plus 2, which is 6. And then 6 divided by 6 is 1.
I know you guys know 先乘除後加減, right?
Yeah.
And one more.
What goes first? Brackets.
Brackets.
So that's 3.
3 times 3, 9. So it's 6 divided by 2 first, and then times 3.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, that's incorrect. No, because you do brackets first, so 3. 6 would be at the top, and then 2 times 1 plus 2 would be at the bottom.
No.
Like this would be 1.
But this is 9.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
I know many people would do it as one, but this is actually nine.
I'm not doing it as one. Nah, you're wrong, I reckon. I reckon you need to brush up on your maths.
我哋之前已經將呢條數放咗上 Instagram， 引起咗大家熱烈嘅討論。就算出動埋計數機都冇用啊！有啲計到9，有啲計到1，咁唔通一條數真係可以有2個答案？原來喺1917年之前會根據代數觀點嚟計，有除法嘅就要將左邊成個算式除以右邊成個算式，即係要將2同括號部分黐埋咁計，就會得出1啦。但係美國史丹福大學數學專家 Preshtalker 就話呢個計法已經過時。1917年之後，根據現代數學4則運算 BODMAS 嘅規則，要先計算括號就會變成6除2乘3，再由左至右咁計就會計到正確答案9。至於用計數機計到1嘅話，都唔使擔心，你個嘢唔係壞咗啊！有啲計數機係會將2同括號中間嘅隱乘優先執行，所以中華民國教育部嘅學者就提醒我哋，算式唔係代數嘅話，其實係唔可以用隱乘㗎，喺2同括號之間加翻個乘號就唔會混淆啦。Congratulations! You're in level 6 and you're level 5. You guys are the first lady going to the level 6. You guys are already so smart. You get to level 5.
Sorry for arguing you.
No, because at the first time I also thought it's 1.
Yeah.